Hi, everyone. What we're going to do today is write our name on the back of our white piece of paper. If you have big paper at home, the bigger the better for this project when you're doing your mask. Because it would be great if you can have the mask fit over your whole face when you're done. So I'm using 9 by 12 paper. If you have anything bigger, like twice as big, that would work even better. Um, Take your paper. You're going to hold it portrait style, which means it's long this way. You're going to fold your paper in half. Okay. Make a crease hard. And find the folded side. That's the most important part of doing this half mask part is find the folded side, the part that doesn't open. See how this part opens, but this one doesn't? From the folded side, I'm going to say to myself, okay, I'm going to draw half of the top of the head. Maybe I'll make a little helmet that's going to be a triangle. And then I'm going to say to myself, maybe I want to put horns on my African mask. So maybe I'll draw 2 horns. And if I'm only drawing half of the mask, when I cut it out, I'm going to end up having 4. Okay, because 2 plus 2 equals 4. Then I can think about maybe an ear. The thing about the African mask is if you make something big, it's going to be really big. So that's going to be a big ear right there with the earlobe. And then down here, I could think about maybe putting a little beard or something like that at the bottom. But remember, I'm not going to draw an ear over here. I'm not going to draw eyes or anything yet. I just have half of the mask drawn out. So now what I'm going to do is while it's folded, I'm going to take my pair of scissors and I'm going to cut both sides out at once right on the pencil line. I'm not going to put any cuts where this fold is, okay? Because if you cut on the fold, then you're going to have issues and it's not going to work out and you have to start over again. So I'm only going to cut on the pencil line. So let me continue to cut this out. Okay, I'm going to take away these big pieces that I don't need. And I'm going to cut around the horns here. See how my hand that's not holding the scissors is kind of guiding the paper? Okay, right over here, let me get this horn. And while I'm cutting, I'm going to say to myself, what is my spirit going to be? I think my spirit is going to be the spirit of sleep. Okay, I'm doing this on a rainy Monday morning, and I feel like crawling right back into bed because it's Monday and it's rainy and it's dreary and it's cold. So I'm going to do the spirit of sleep. Okay, now we're ready to see the full size face or mask, or I'm sorry, head. Yes. Okay, so this is what the mask shape is going to look like, the outside of the mask. Okay. Sorry that it's on the white table, but this is what it looks like. Okay. Now what you could do is say to yourself, okay, on one side I'm going to make an eye. Now if it's the spirit of sleep, I'm going to make my eye closed. But you may be doing the spirit of pizza or something like that. So you have to say to yourself, okay, what are the parts of the face going to look like? So I'm putting scar designs on the eyelids. So the eyelids are closed, but they're scar designs. I'm going to make a big eyebrow here and a big eyebrow over here. And then when I do the nose, I'm going to make a pretty big nose and I'm going to have a nose ring. So notice everything that's on one side is on the other. Okay. And now I'm going to put the nose ring in. I'm going to put different scar designs here. And over here. So I'm making it as symmetrical as possible. And now I'm going to do the mouth. So I'm going to make lips first. Fix this right here. Oh, I'm going to make sharp teeth. I'm going to make a tongue. So, ooh, he's kind of scary. And that's what you're going to start to do today. I'm going to add more to this next week, and then I'll show you how to begin to color. Okay, enjoy.